Recent videos offer a closer look at the Rivian R2, following its official launch alongside the surprise R3 model. While the unveiling provided the R2's dimensions, these on-road videos showcase its size in a more practical way. The footage reveals the R2 driving alongside other vehicles, providing a real-world comparison. While Rivian previously confirmed the R2's size to be slightly taller and marginally shorter than the Tesla Model Y, the videos bring this information to life. The contrasting shapes are also evident. Unlike the Model Y's focus on aerodynamics, the R2 boasts a taller, less aerodynamic rear end. This design choice suggests a potential prioritization of cargo space or passenger comfort over ultimate efficiency. While the Rivian R2's dimensions were revealed at launch, new videos provide a far more practical perspective, the car cruising on public roads. This real-world setting offers a key advantage size comparisons with familiar vehicles. Gone are the limitations of a crowded reveal event with isolated car displays. These Laguna Beach videos, showcasing the R2 navigating Pacific Coast Highway traffic alongside cars like the Model Y, bring the R2's size specifications to life, while also highlighting its design priorities through contrasting shapes. While the initial video offers a glimpse of the R3X, its size comparison remains inconclusive. The gas station signage, towering prices in stark contrast to the efficiency of electric vehicles, partially obscures the R3X throughout most of the footage. Additionally, the initial driving scene showcases the R3X on an uneven road with no nearby vehicles for reference. A fleeting glimpse towards the video's end suggests the R3X might be slightly shorter than a small truck in the opposite lane, and significantly shorter than the following Rivian R1. The second video provides a much clearer picture of the Rivian R2. Mirroring the R1 in design but with a smaller footprint, the R2 is shown cruising alongside familiar vehicles like the Hyundai Tucson and Kia Soul. While the R2 sits slightly taller due to road curvature, all three remain firmly within the midsize SUV category. Interestingly, the video even captures Rivian's auto design chief Jeff Hammond filming the R2 on his phone, further amplifying the excitement surrounding this new electric offering. The R2's size becomes evident when placed amongst common vehicles. Compared to the following R1, the R2 appears noticeably smaller. Even alongside a Model Y, the R2's compact dimensions are clear. As the R2 navigates traffic, its unique something between a hatchback and a crossover design is further highlighted by the surrounding sedans, small SUVs and compact vans. Notably, the R2 sits slightly taller than a Scion XB, another boxy car that blurred category lines. This segment effectively showcases the R2's positioning within the automotive landscape. The final video offers a glimpse of the R3X being loaded onto a trailer, hinting at its potential size advantage over the larger R1S. While this clip doesn't provide extensive size comparisons, additional insights come from user analysis. Based on a photo of the R3X, estimates suggest it might be shorter than a Golf GTI, potentially by a significant margin. This would place the R3X below the likes of the Hyundai Ioniq 5, Volvo X30, and even the Chevrolet Bolt EV in terms of length. It's important to note that these estimates are based on a single photo and may not be perfectly accurate, but the knowledge of tire size and wheelbase provides a solid foundation for such analysis. Rivian's foray into the compact segment with the R3 is a welcome development. While the brand's roots lie in a sporty concept car, recent offerings skewed towards trucks and SUVs. The R3's hot hatch format demonstrates Rivian's willingness to diversify its product portfolio, a crucial strength for a young automaker. This strategic move caters to a wider audience and positions Rivian to capitalize on a potential shift in consumer preferences. Industry conversations suggest a growing, large car fatigue, paving the way for a resurgence of smaller, more manageable vehicles like the R3. This bodes well for Rivian's future and aligns with a potential market correction. Rivian's CEO, RJ Scaringe, has undoubtedly crafted a strategy to sustain customer interest, as detailed in his recent interview with Electrek. The enthusiastic reception surrounding the R3 likely has Rivian's internal team scrambling to expedite its production. The car's size and style also suggest it could be a runaway success in European markets, further solidifying Rivian's diverse product roadmap.